Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be me showing you guys how I achieved my faux locks, new locks, soft locks. Kind of got a lot of all of those going on in this one hairstyle. So yeah, this is my first time doing it. So I wanted a new protective style. So I was like, you know what, why not try this? I ended up using 6 packs of the Bobbi Boss Nu Locs. I'll show you all that in the video. It took me forever to do these, but I kind of on and off about 6-7 hours, which, you know, it's fine. I'll be showing you guys in the video the foundation that I have, and I'll show you guys the 2 different methods that I used. The first one, I wasn't so sure about it, but when I went back again and did it and kind of just mixed them in all over, I like the look that it gave in the end. I love how this turned out for this to be my first time. Yeah, so I think that's all I have for you guys. Oh, before I go, I have not seen anyone go over like the nighttime care of when you have your faux locks in or anything like that. So I'm going to show you guys what I use. For my scalp, I use the Even. This is a 24-hour anti-itch scalp care oil with tea tree oil in it. They have 2 of them with tea tree oil and the other one with peppermint. I already have a peppermint oil, but I just, in its twist top, take that off, and you just want to go through the scalp. I use this every night and every morning, and I go in with my bonnet at night, and basically what I do is I take the hair, pull it up to the front, and I go take this side and go across. Don't tug, just across, and then take the bottom half and come the back side up, and then I just tuck it all into my bonnet, kind of fluff it around a little bit, and then that's it, and I just go to sleep. So yeah, I will try to address everything that I haven't addressed in this video in the video that you guys see. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I appreciate each and every one of you all from the bottom of my heart. It means so much to me. And before you go, you already know I say this in every video. Make sure you like, comment, leave me some love. I'll talk back. And make sure you subscribe. And until next time, bye guys. Okay guys, so I'm showing you guys my foundation. So I did individuals around the perimeter of my head, and then in the middle of the cornrows. Shout out to my girl Marissa. Thank you so much for doing my braids, girl. Now I'm going to go in with the Mielle Organics Mint Almond Oil for my scalp. I usually use this every day on my natural hair. I love how soothing it gets on my scalp, and it promotes growth. And I go between this one and the Even. And just massage that into the scalp. Now, I end up using 6 packs of the Bobbi Boss Nu Locs. They start out as 14 inches, and I just extended them. So I'm showing you right now how to extend them. So what I do is I unravel the end, and I split it into 2. Like so. Then I find the loop on the next lock right here. I insert one end of the 2 that we split, and I just tie a knot about 2 or 3 times here, and just keep tying it and keep tying it. Now here, I didn't have the nail glue. I didn't realize how important it was until when you guys see it later on in this video. After you tie the 2 knots, what you're going to do is the bottom half, you'll wrap at the bottom, and then the top, you'll wrap that around the top. And I'm just continue to tie it before I start wrapping. And then you would want to put the nail glue to make sure that it stays tight and wrapped. Palm roll so it doesn't unravel, and voila. Once you do that, your locks should look like this, extended. Now this is the first method that I did. So you open the needle up, put the loop in the needle, close it, and pull it through. This time right here, what I did was I just pulled, instead of pulling my hair and the lock through, I just pulled the lock through by itself. I didn't really like that because it still kind of hung a little bit. It wasn't as tight and secure as I liked it. So this first method is I just unraveled the lock counterclockwise and I twisted my hair as I unraveled. So just unravel the lock, twist your hair in. Unravel the lock, twist your hair in. Unravel the lock, twist your hair in. And you just keep doing it until you get down to the end of your hair. And then you're just gonna kind of tuck it in to the lock. And I end up going back in and actually doing this throughout, mixing it between this and the next method I'm going to show you. And I love how it turned out in the end. Now I'm getting ready to tuck it into it. And there you go. All right, so this is going to be the other method. So I'm just putting the needle through, open, inserting the loop, closing the needle, pulling through, and I pulled the lock and my hair through. This definitely made me feel like it was more secure. And I end up using spring twist hair, the Janet collection, Nyla spring twist. And basically what I did is I unraveled the twist, stretched the hair out. And I just like covered a little bit, folded over my braid and the lock at first. So here you can see I just fold it over just a little bit, just because to secure it pretty good. And then I just wrap the spring twist hair the opposite direction around my hair and the lock. So you honestly can do it either or. And you're just going to wrap and wrap some more and wrap some more. This is my first time doing it, so I kind of had to just go with the flow of it. But honestly, I like this method. Now this method is the soft locks method, I think. And the other one was just, I think, the new lock method. So I just combined both of them into this. Just showing you guys up a little bit closer. And here's the nail glue. So what you want to do is you want to apply it on. You can use the brush on or just a regular applicator. Wrap the hair around to secure it. This will make sure that it does not unravel. And I'm just going to cut the excess hair off. Put it together, palm roll, and there you have it. All right, so by this point, I was about halfway through, and I'm just going to show you guys how I apply the Nu Locs into the cornrows. All right, so I go through my braids when I apply it. So I already have the needle through the braid, and I'm just opening up the loop like so. And the needle is open. Put the loop in, close the needle, pull through, open the needle, open the loop, bring the lock through, and pull to make sure that it's secured. I know some people like to go under the braids of the cornrows. I like to go through mine. At this point, I was like, we were almost through. And this is how it looks. All I had left was the top portion. And here's the end portion. So I used the spring twist on this one as well. And as you guys can see, it's just a repeat of what I did earlier. This hairstyle took me forever, but it's okay because it was my first time. But the results, I'm very proud of myself for this. If I can do it, you can too. I'm just applying the nail glue. Palm roll. And voila, we are done. Here's the back. It's very full. This hair is so lightweight. I was so shocked at how lightweight this hair is, especially for how much hair I have on my head. Thank you guys.